So now I'm looking at your worksheet that says 8.6b, rational equations. These rational equations are a little bit more complex, and that means, as we talked about in class, the first step is to factor everything we can. So 3 can't be factored. The bottom can be factored, n squared, and we're left with n minus 2. This can't be factored. I'm just going to put n minus 2, and I'm going to put it in parentheses. This can be factored, n squared, n minus 2. So looking at all 3 of our denominators, we can see that our least common denominator is n squared times n minus 2. So I'm going to multiply every term by the least common denominator. So times n squared n minus 2 times n squared n minus 2 times n squared n minus 2. All right, so a lot of stuff is going to cancel out. So that cancels with that cancels with that. We're just left with 3. Plus n minus 2 cancels with n minus 2. I'm just left with 1 times n squared, which is just n squared. Let's see, gone, 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 gone. So I'm just left with 4. Now I have n squared, but I don't have an n term. So I don't need to set this all equal to 0. I can actually solve using square roots. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. N squared will equal 1. So n equals positive or negative 1. Don't forget the positive or negative. This equation has 2 solutions, positive and negative 1. Now let's make sure they're okay. Looking at our least common denominator, our excluded values would have been 0 and 2. So n cannot equal 0 or 2. So let's make sure that neither one of these solutions is 0 or 2, and it looks like we're good.